can still come together in the person of Jesus Christ and be one in Jesus Christ and serve one another. Let me give you an example, a fairly controversial example that's going on right now about this whole business about how certain lives matter, all lives matter, black lives matter, blue lives matter, and so forth. Okay, now I want you to listen to me. The difference between the Christian ethic and the world ethic. Only atheists would believe that no life matters, folks. Of course every life matters. But what we find in the Bible is that we are to count others as more significant than ourselves. This is the way that Jesus did it. Here's the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords sitting down having a meal, this Last Supper with His disciples. Trust me, if anybody sitting at that table deserved to have his feet wiped and worshiped, it was Jesus. But Jesus gets down, contrary to everything anyone would have expected. I mean, Peter was appalled. And he gets down and he washes the feet of his disciples. Simon the Zealot, Matthew the tax collector, Judas who was about to betray him, Peter who was about to deny even knowing him. All of them would abandon him. And Jesus, against everything this world would have said for him to do, knelt down and washed the feet of his disciples. It's not just that we're saying that lives matter. It says, you know what, as far as we're concerned, as brothers and sisters in Christ, we are going to count others as more significant than ourselves. Why? Because this is the way of Jesus, who came not to be served, but to serve and to give His life as a ransom for many. And that's different than the world. That's why it's a light. That's why we are called out to be holy and righteous. But it is the way of Jesus.